So guys, hapon na sad and it's time for snacks, and today our snacks is from Sugbo Wraps. And I know Sugbo Wraps is one of the new businesses na sad na open this quarantine. Tapos kuha na sila. They're specializing on yung Mexican na ilang team. So yeah, I expect mga tacos, quesadillas and more. So let's see unsay niabot diri sa balay. We receive mga tulo ni sila ka packages. And atong tanawon unsa ni. First up, oh, it's quesadilla. Kani sa sunod. Next up, oh, this is taco. Oh, napri burrito. Of course, it's like their chips. Nice. Oh, na, you have the nachos with, napay beef, and then of course Mexican food, na gini mga sauces. That's the taco, and then we have quesadilla, and I think that's a burrito. So mana, it's time to eat kay hindi na nato palugaw yung pagkaon, di ba? Samtang init pa. So kaon sa ta guys. Hello, good afternoon. So it's time to taste the food that we have. So nakalingaw nila, they have nachos here na naslay salsa. Ano to yung salsa? Oh yeah, this is like your veggies. Then napay beef. Actually, pwede yung butang din. Iyapan mo sa sauce. Pero kung yan ako mag-shut up, uwi nga na. Okay. Kilawan sa. Hindi nga siya kanon kay, of course, may utan. You have tomatoes, cucumber, I think onions would be there. We have meat. Perfect kayo. Nabanat-banatan ka. Hasta akong hero, na-excite. Yummy. And of course, atong tilawan ng quesadilla nila. Tilawan nila kung saan nila sauce. It's like garlic sauce, like garlicky siya. And nasa sila hot sauce. Inside is meat, I think more that's ground beef and cheese. So pwede sila mo initon, i-reheat para mas init, especially kung nakay ka ng flat grill. May nakay na siya. Pero as is, yeah. Lingaw din ang Mexican food, of course, because what I like about Mexican food is normally it's really full of flavor. Hang siya plus, but it's just mga spices ba. Plus sometimes it's cheesy and meaty. Usually they use beef. Nahanggit kay kuana. Plus it's protein. Even the taco, for example, nanatanan. So it's like a meal on its own, diba? Taco with hot sauce. No pressure kayo. And if ever di ka nag hot sauce, namin sa garlic sauce, or you can kuan. Pero kinahanglan niya na butang pahanghang. Di na Mexican kung dili hanghang. Nguban gay butangan niya ng Tabasco or kanang kung sa local pa palit kag senior sili diha. Yeah, perfect kay na sila. Kung sa tabunan kay murag kagalupan-lupad din yung lapita ron. Murag attractive kay humuti kay nilang pagkaon. Which is no ginakalingaw ani niya. Yeah, Mexican food I love it. Although dagan sa nanunga diya mga tacos. This one soft shell man yung taco, it's a soft tortilla. Pero lami, lingaw kanon. And Yeah, there comes the choices. And they have like wraps here. Shawarma style. I thought it was a burrito, but it was more like, yeah, since they are the bit of Mexican team. More on wraps, man sa din Sugbo Wraps. Yeah, they have shawarma as well. So, mo din ay murag tuom or garlic sauce, which we can add. Or pwede na kayo. Ang shawarma, templado na siya with, onions, cucumber, tomato. Kaya pong style it's This the nice thing sa ilasad. Di kay super dako ba? Just a perfect serving na for snacks especially. Pero of course, ako hindi ba ko palabi yung carbs, but sometimes you just have to indulge. Yummy. So overall, I really enjoyed my meal from Sugbo Wraps. Thank you so much, by the way. And if you want to order, I think namin sa Inayawan sa South Isla area. Or if you want to order, you can just visit their Facebook page. Okay. Wala. I think they're gonna be busy also because lami ilang selections and I think the prices are quite okay, dali ra, affordable ra, and dali ra ninyo ma-order, di ba? And we have to support each other. If ever karon labi na karon, di ka pwede magsige gawas. If possible, if you have any cravings, why not just look for it online on Facebook or on Instagram. So one of their choices, if you're craving for like Mexican and and Mediterranean, if you're craving for wraps like shawarma, tacos, quesadillas, or even nachos, you have to seriously consider, especially kung taga South ka. Yeah, you better check out Sugbo Wraps. Kung mauna mong craving, check it out because mas maayos yun. Ma-order lang kita online. Yeah, via via Facebook or via the apps para, of course, para safe gyapon mo sa bahay, and of course dili magsige gawas, di ba? Walay risgo sa gawas-gawas, walay risgo sa mga ang virus karon na gihapon, so you have to be safe lang gihapon. So di ba, magawas lang ta kung importante gyud, especially kung di gyud pwede ma-deliver online. So why not, di ba? So Sugbo Wraps, by remember the name. It was really a good meal. And I know magtiwas pa ko ani, and I know my family will really enjoy this one. Because all in all, yes, tuan siya. Really good snacks. It has carbs, but it has the nice thing about it. It has veggies and it has meat. So di ba? So dili kay ka di kay ko magpalabig carbs, yeah, but one taco or a few nachos would be good enough na, and which is really fun. And if ever naman sa sobra ra imong carbs or energy, pwede man sa i-exercise, and you can just exercise at home, di ba? Like skipping rope ka or do some weights, so mag-alsa-alsa kag kanang mineral water. Di ba? So thank you so much for watching, guys, and yes, please support once again Sugbo Wraps. Thank you, Sugbo Wraps, for sending me some these delicious goodies. Nalingaw gyud ko. I really enjoyed eating it. And also, guys, if please support local businesses, local entrepreneurs, food entrepreneurs. Support them, guys, as much as possible. If not, share their content. If ever, share it to your friends who might like their food. And if ever na mo ma-suggest na ko na what should I taste next, let me know para ako i-check out, di ba? So, do you have any recent food discoveries? Let me know para atong bisitahon. Kada lang sa kuan. Kanang to order lang sa or take out. Okay?
lisod kay ng kuan. Di sa takagawas-gawas, di ba? Di sa tamang laag atong mga nindot kay nag-view kay napang virus, and sometimes sarado sa mga restaurants, especially sa malls, by the way, get dine in. So mo na may kunin mo na abi ni mo makalaag ka para mag-dine in dili. So stay safe guys, and thank you so much for watching, and see you once again sa sunod natong mga videos. Bye bye bye.